Is your Windows 11 PC suddenly showing a large redesigned start menu after an update? Many users feel the new layout is too big, takes up too much desktop space, and does not offer enough customization options, especially on laptops where every inch of screen matters. If you would prefer to restore the classic Windows 11 start menu, I would like to guide you through a safe and simple hidden method that may help you switch back. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for ViveTool download. Now open the official releases page and download the latest available version. When the Save As screen appears, save it wherever you want. Once the file is downloaded, go to your Downloads folder. Now right-click the downloaded zip file and click on Extract All. And then click on Extract. After extraction, you will see a new folder. Now kindly rename this folder to ViveTool in lowercase so that it becomes easier to type commands later. Next, copy this renamed ViveTool folder and paste it directly inside your C drive root directory. This step is important because it makes command navigation simpler and prevents path errors. Now open the Windows search bar. Type CMD and click on Run as Administrator. A command window should now open. Now inside the command prompt window type cd dot dot and then press enter. Then type cd dot dot again and hit enter. This will take you to the main C drive directory. Next type cd space ViveTool and then hit enter. To check its contents type dir and press enter. Now you will see several files including vivetool.exe, which is the tool we need. Now carefully type the command ViveTool space / disable space / id colon 47205210 and then press enter. If the command is successful, you should see a confirmation message stating that the feature configuration has been set successfully. Finally, restart your computer so the changes can be applied. Once your system boots back up, the classic Windows 11 Start menu should be restored. And as you can see, the Windows Classic Start menu is back. Note: this method works on the standard Windows 11 releases and is not limited to insider builds. However, Microsoft may remove or block this option in future updates. And sometimes Windows updates can automatically restore the newer Start menu again. At present, there are no registry tweaks that completely remove it, which is why this method is considered one of the few working solutions available right now. I truly hope this guide helped you bring back the classic start menu experience. If this tutorial helped you, then please give it a like, share and subscribe to our channel. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.